What's up, insiders? Check out this little cutie. Yeah, man, it's the AAA Cub kit. Is it the cutest little starter kit on the market? Let's go down low. Let me show you everything. Look at that little guy. Kind of neat looking, right? I'm kind of digging it. I like the camo look. That's kind of cool. All right, there's your fire button right there. There's your voltage adjustment right there. There is your micro USB port. Internal battery mod only. It has a 1000 milliamp hour internal battery, so remember, this is inherently a throwaway piece. We have a gold-plated spring-loaded 510, which I would say has a loose spring with a long throw to it. A little bit of stainless steel over here on top, a little bit of top plate, and some stainless steel threading around that. Plasticky mod, feels very plasticky. I like the camo. That green camo is kind of cool. 5 clicks and it's on. There's your micro USB port. Okay, here is your battery life indicator right here. Now when you hit the button, you see the green light right there. That green light means that you're above 70%. If you hit the button and that green light was blue, that would mean you were between 30 and 70%. If you hit the button and that light was red, it would mean you're below 30%, and it's going to be time to charge soon. Let's check out the tank. A little bit of AAA branding on the bottom there. Okay. There's your airflow, only on one side. Stoppers on both ends, but you only have single side airflow. On the bottom, you see a gold-plated 510, orange insulator ring around it, some AA SIGs and Cub tank branding, stainless steel threading around the gold-plated 510. In order to check out the drip tip, you just pull it out like that. It's a regular 510 drip tip. Pops right in. All your other 510s fit fine. There is your barrel section right there. Screws right into the top of the chimney section right there. You got a minimum and a maximum line. A little bit more Cub branding. Put the top cap back on. Let's go over the coils. Coil with the purple O-rings is the 1.2 ohm coil. All right, you can see good for 9 to 12 watts. Plug-in type of coil. All right, this is the ceramic coil right here. This is the 0.6 ohm coil. This is the mesh one, good for 16 to 20 watts. All right, I wish they would have put that it's mesh on the actual coil itself, but you can see the mesh right in there. This is a very low wattage mesh coil. I haven't seen mesh coils this low. I'm interested to see how it actually vapes. Now we take our tank section, we unscrew the base. Right there, you just drop the coil in. It's one of those plug and play coils. You just screw the base of the tank on. Threading on the bottom is a little crunchy. Could be a little smoother, that's for sure. Take your top cap off, just like that. Normally I don't like these big open fill parts right here, but they made the O-ring here thick enough, so I don't mind it. The glass does not wobble. I thought when the glass wobbles, this type of filling bothers me, but this glass does not wobble. It's on there pretty solid. Get it filled up to the top, just like that. Put your top cap back on, and now we're ready to vape. Now, as far as the lights here go, orange means you're at 3.9 volts. Purple means you're at 3.6 volts, and yellow means you're at 3.3 volts. And that's it, folks. That's the whole menu system. 5 clicks on, 5 clicks off. Use this button to adjust your voltage, and that's it. One more quick look at it all put together. There's your Cub user manual right there. You get a bunch of spare O-rings. You get a spare glass, 2 coils, and a micro USB cable. All right, insiders, let's get into the cons and pros. Not really a lot to go over on this one. The first and only con I have for this thing is that it's an internal battery mod. It's inherently a throwaway piece. Sooner or later, that battery's going to cycle through its lifespan, and you're going to have to chuck it. But that's it. Otherwise, I got no other cons for it. The pros on this one are going to be simple as well. First pro is going to be tiny little form factor. I like it. It's a nice little knockaround kit. That's a pro. It's got that little centered 510. Pro. 2 coils in the kit. That's a pro. You get a very complete kit. You get 2 coils. You get a spare glass. You get that micro USB cable. They just did a nice job putting this little kit together, considering what it is. All you really got to do is add juice and you're vaping. The nice thing about this mod is the flavor and the clouds are actually not bad. Check it out. I got it on the high setting right now, okay? I got the mesh coil in there. All right, the vapor production and the flavor is not bad at all considering what it is. Check it out. Not bad for a little kit like this. I mean, not bad at all. Nice little beater knockaround mod. So that's it, man. Like I said, not much to go over. It's a simple little kit, but I think AAA did a really nice job putting it together. I like the colors it's available in. They're a little different. You can get it in the wood color, pink camo, green camo, blue camo, and black carbon. Big shout out to AAA for handing this to me at NVE. Definitely appreciate the support. Make sure you check out the link down below. So let's get back to our original question. Is this like the cutest little kit on the market? Yeah, man. It's cute. There's no doubt about it. Now, it's a funny thing. When I first showed this on my NVE video, a lot of people ripped at this mod because they said it's geared towards children. But to be honest with you, I don't see it, man, because I have other mods that are just the same size as this, and I don't think they're geared towards children. Here's the Smoke X-Priv Mini, right? It's not much bigger. Nobody got on Smoke for saying, hey, you're gearing it towards children. I don't understand. Does the camo make it towards children? I mean, adults use camo, so I just don't get why people were ripping on this mod when they saw it in the NVE video. I think it's a nice little beater mod, a knockaround mod, kind of mod you take out with you, right? If you're going fishing or if you're going to the bar for the night, you don't give a shit if you drop it in the water or you leave it at the bar. It's no big loss. If that's the type of mod you're looking for, definitely check out this little Cub kit. It'll get you through that type of situation. Don't forget, insiders, check the link down below. Go over and join our new Facebook group, and you'll get a chance to win a $100 coupon at Vape Wild. Check out the link. Make sure you hit one of the thumbnails here and check out some of our other reviews. That's it, folks. That's all we got for you today. You keep living that vape life. We're out of here. Deuces.